Hello, kids! Can you guess the fruits? Let's start! Can you guess this fruit? It's apple. What fruit is this? It's banana. Can you guess this yummy fruit? It's mango. Do you know this fruit? It's orange. Can you identify this fruit? It's grapes. Can you guess this tropical fruit? It's pineapple. What fruit do you see? It's watermelon. Can you guess this healthy fruit? It's papaya. Do you know this fruit? It's guava. Can you guess this sweet fruit? It's strawberry. What fruit is this? It's pomegranate. Can you identify this tiny fruit? It's kiwi. Can you guess this hard fruit? It's coconut. What fruit is this? It's lemon. Can you guess this juicy fruit? It's litchi. Do you know this big fruit? It's jackfruit. Can you guess this colorful fruit? It's dragon fruit. What fruit do you see? It's pear. Can you identify this small fruit? It's cherry. Can you guess this tiny fruit? It's blueberry. Great job, kids! Thanks for playing. Subscribe for more fun quiz videos.